afternoon to all of you. Today, I am presenting my PPT on condition of farmers and recent agriculture reforms. So here we start. Introduction. The condition of most of the farmers is horrible. Nearly 80% of farmers in India belongs to the marginal and less than 1 hectare or small farmers 1 or 2 hectare category. The agriculture supports nearly 50% of employment but contributes only 15% to the gross domestic product (GDP). Every day there is a news coming on the farmers' suicides from the different part of the country. The people sitting in the air conditioner rooms are devising the policy to alleviate the problem faced by the farmers who work under the burning sun. They will not come to know the real problems of the farmers. So here we start our new topic, condition of farmers. Condition of farmers has improved a little only because there are many of adults in their ways. The first is education. Education is very important. Majority of the farmers are not educated, and because of this, they do not know how to solve many problems or so many problems they face. Anybody can fool of them. Second, nature. Nature means climatic conditions are very important for the farmers, but due to the global warming, they are getting not getting proper rain at a proper time. It rain when it not required. Third, poverty. Poverty is the issue. Poor is getting poorer and rich are getting becoming richer. Farmers are not getting right price for their crops from the government. They invest 10 rupees and getting 6 rupees. It is always loss for me. Banks playing the major role in everyone's life, so with the farmers too. Farmers are not much educated to fill all the formalities of bank like check, draft, or how to use ATM or internet banking. There is no one to help them. Communication. Farmers are not getting a proper communication, or you can say if there is anything new about the farmers in the farming, any new technology, they cannot come to know. Sixth, electricity. You need this for everything in today's life. But in villages, there is no electricity for 16 hours also. How the man live their life don't know. How can farmers irrigate their land without electricity? Seventh, import. Our government should not import the goods which the Indian farmers grow. Because of this, the price of the crop goes down due to the plenty of availability, and the ultimate suffer is the farmer. Eighth, urbanization. Farmers are not getting profit from their work, so they are thinking to selling their lands and convert into the big building or the factory or something else. There are some many things also. So here is a diagram of COVID-19 impact on digital agriculture market. Year 2020, it increased 5.6%. Agriculture reforms in India. There are basically three types of agriculture reforms in India. Reforms are first, institutional reforms, also called land reform. Second, general reform. Third, technical reform. First, land reform, institution, land reform or institutional reform. Action plan of the government with regards of the land reforms include the following steps. First, abolition of intermediaries. Second, regular of rent. Third, consolidation of holdings. Fourth, selling of land holdings. Fifth, cooperative farming. Second, general reforms. General reforms include the following steps. First, expansion of irrigation facilities. Second, provisions of credit. Third, regulated market. Fourth, cooperative marketing societies. Fifth, private price support policy (PSP). Last, technical reforms. Following steps have been taken by the government to upgrade the level of technology in the Indian agriculture. First, use of HYUD, high yielding variety seeds. Second, uses of chemical fertilizers. Third, uses of insecticides and pesticides for the crop protection. Fourth, scientific farm management practices. Fifth, mechanism means of cultivation. Thank you for listening.